Alrighty, evening folks. Tonight we are going to hit up Great White beer. Beer with natural flavors added. And that always makes me wary, because that's what they call the extract of beaver anal gland. Great White beer, 1 pint, 6 fluid ounces, so 22 ounces, because God forbid we should standardize anything. Comes out of Lost Coast Brewery up in Eureka in California, because California apparently owns the friggin' breweries on the West Coast or something. This stuff's usually pretty solid enough to hook up. Like I said last time, I like San Diego. They have some great breweries. These guys aren't bad. I've had their other stuff when I load up the cooler for the Christmas party. So the brewmaster is Ms.Groom, and it's a distinctly American version of a Belgian-style white with full-bodied, unfiltered beer, topped with hints of coriander, citrus, and Barbara's secret blend of herbs and spices. Barbara's been tapping the Colonel, huh? It might be his daughter, though. That's a little creepy. Anyway, that wasn't the Colonel's life. She might have got married. The hell do I know? Anyway, doesn't give me ABV, doesn't give me IBUs, gives me none of the important stuff I need to do this for you. So let's do the important stuff. Nice head, good color, good bubbles. It's gonna be a gassy beer. Much of a nose, or a bouquet, or whatever it is that beer's supposed to smell like. It smells like beer. Doesn't smell bad though. Clean, dry, kind of empty. It's like no middle to it. Nothing left on the palate. This is if you're a Bud Light drinker, you should probably drink it. Well, if you're a Bud Light drinker, you're going to drink Bud Light, but otherwise I would drink something like this instead. It's about the same. There's really nothing there, even with Barbara's special herbs and spices and coriander. And there was a coriander and salt gose that I really liked. I think it was the Uinta. I've done them before too. Good brewery out of Utah. Chick-handed because I liked it, because I don't know, I was Hitler in my last life and God hates me. But anyway, broke out the beer glass for this, so keep the snobos happy, and it's got a beer on it. I'll hit up the Google machine and in the comments down below. I'll put in the ABV. The IBUs on this are like 5 to 10. Can't taste any hops whatsoever. Yeah, crazy. Give me a second. Let me finish this up. Pima wants to play ball. Not bad. Would I buy it? Not really. There's other beers I like better. Would I drink it? This is head and shoulders above some of the other stuff I reviewed. So my go-to order, no. Would be good backup beer, yes. Excuse me. I told you it was a gassy beer. You know what? I would say 375 just because it's really drinkable. There's nothing there. It's literally like drinking nothing. But no, let's go 3.5 instead of 3.75. 3.5, good solid rating for this beer. I like it, just not enough to marry it. So that's about it. I don't get points. I don't get props. I would, but I pay for everything out of my own pocket. So, you guys got questions or anything, put them up. Like, share, remind, all that happy stuff. And have a good evening. All right? Adios, folks.